Ladies and gentlemen, the General.
Thank you. Thank you. We all know it's a war out there. Sound Ideas understands that you need to be in command of your productions. That you want to take charge with an unbeatable collection of effects at your fingertips at all times. A digitally recorded stereo effects library that has absolutely everything you need to help you win. I want to introduce you to a library that is more than capable of taking charge. The Sound Ideas Series 6000 Sound Effects Library. The General. The General Series 6000 is the new standard. Nothing else comes close. The General is the world's single largest sound effects collection. Period. Sound Ideas combined its experience with extensive client research to create a new general sound effects library, and I'm proud to say they have delivered. It took Sound Ideas' staff of recording engineers over 2 years to create the General. 40 compact discs, a massive arsenal of over 6,000 new effects, totaling over 50 hours of incredible sounds. The General will lead you to the four corners of the world, with long ambience tracks from the jungles of Africa to the deserts of Egypt, from the markets of Hong Kong to downtown Manhattan. The General has also provided new and expanded sound categories, such as an outstanding animal collection. Aviation. Weather. Water sounds. crowd sounds. Late model vehicles. And of course, my personal favorite, military sound effects. As well as a full series of Foley effects recorded at Lucasfilm's Skywalker Ranch. The General is truly the commander-in-chief of sound effects libraries. As a special feature, the General has also recruited a unique collection of sounds by 4 award-winning sound designers. Talent like Frank Serafini of Tron and the Hunt for Red October fame. Mike McDonough, whose credits include Walt Disney's Tailspin and L.A. Law. Alan Howarth, who worked on all 6 Star Trek films. Randy Tom of Lucasfilm, who created a special collection of wind effects. All effects were recorded in stereo and assembled within the digital domain. For ease of operation, the General comes with a custom storage case and a detailed cross-referenced catalog that encompasses all of Sound Idea's sound effects libraries. As well, a computer software sound effects locator program is available for the Series 6000 and all other Sound Ideas products. These are the facts. The General Sound Effects Library is the world's largest and most comprehensive library of its kind. Don't settle for anything less. Get on the front line with the General.